Imagine a world without hiding your keys in unsafe places. With ark Tamo KeySafe, you can grant secure access to those who need it without even being home. The ark Tamo by the KeySafe company is the world's most secure push-button keysafe. Built for peace of mind, providing secure and convenient access for all. Perfect for giving access to carers, service providers, emergency key storage, guest access, emergency services for loved ones and outdoor activities, the ark Tamo's solid construction ensures long-lasting reliability and resistance against tampering. Built to a police-preferred standard, trusted by security experts and users alike, when you choose the KeySafe company, you choose quality, confidence and security. Not all keysafes are equal. The ark Tamo has been independently attack-tested by security officials. Would you trust anything less? ark Tamo features robust, heavy-duty craftsmanship with user-friendly features such as a backlit keypad and an illuminated interior for 24/7 visibility. With multi-push technology and over 9.7 million secure code combinations, storing multiple keys and fobs has never been more secure. No additional power is required, and installation is quick and easy. ark Tamo can be safely installed onto various surfaces, including brick, render, stone, and concrete block. Whether for home or commercial use, Tamo delivers exceptional performance and security you can trust, with over 3 million products sold worldwide. Visit our website or speak to a human to secure your peace of mind with the ark Tamo Maximum Security KeySafe. Built for security, trusted for convenience.